Hey guys, what's going on everybody? My name is John Alexander. Welcome back. In today's video, we have yet another pair of Yeezys to unbox for y'all. So we're gonna be checking out those 700 V3 Alvah joints. You guys aren't gonna wanna go anywhere. Stay tuned for today's video, guys. It's coming right up next, y'all. Welcome back guys. Thank y'all so much for checking out today's video. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. Today is Saturday, so it's currently the drop day for those regional exclusive joints. So let me know if y'all picked up, if you guys caught the Earth, Flax, or the Taillight joints, and what region of the world you guys are tuned in from. So today's unboxing is really dope. This package comes from GOAT. So again, these are no box included. But it's all good since we're able to get these early. It's almost like a month before release. These are supposed to drop April 10th, according to Yeezy Influence. So originally they were set to drop All-Star Weekend, but that was pushed back or whatever. So Yeezy Influence was the first one to break it to us that these are gonna be dropping sometime in April. He's saying April 10th, y'all. So these are the second version of, in my opinion, last year's sneaker of the year. So I am in love with this silhouette. Now this colorway is dope, so they decided to follow it up with a pair of all black joints, and apparently these glow in the dark as well. So we'll check all that information out. Now these are a tiny size, so I won't be able to fit these, but it's a good indication if I'm gonna buy these when they come out, or if we're gonna pass up on them. So let's check them out together, guys. These are the Alvah joints. Yeah, these are tiny. So we did cop these off of course, GOAT. And of course, these joints were no box. So here we go, y'all. Let me know what y'all first impression of these new 700 V3 Alvah joints. Drop your comments down below, y'all. So we got the new 700 V3 Alvah joints with a first-hand look here on the channel, guys. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Now this sneaker, of course, as we all know, just like the first version of these joints, these have no boost. What's cool is you got the little yellow exposed bottom. So this sneaker is just completely all triple blacked out. So of course you just got the light gray going through this sneaker. It's really dope. Now this is 3M right here on the tongue area. And most notably about this sneaker is that this does glow in the dark. So let me know what y'all think about these joints. I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on these things coming right up now. So we're bringing you guys a first-hand look at these new 700 V3 Alvah joints here on the #1 Yeezy channel on YouTube. So if you guys are new, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Monday, I'll be dropping my early look at those orange 700 MMVN joints. So stay tuned for that video, as well as with a whole bunch of other early looks at new Yeezys coming up soon, guys. Now, my opinion on these joints is just at first glance, they're dope. A lot of early pairs of these have leaked already, so a lot of people have seen these, and the feedback that I've been hearing is pretty negative on these, which, as y'all know, makes me love these. So if everybody else ain't feeling these, it makes me like them even more. So these are a dope sneaker. I will be definitely copping these when they drop. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about these joints. Now, when you compare them to the V3 version here, the first one, So this is a 10.5, and this is actually a size 5. So yeah, these not messing with the Azales, but they're a dope color. I love this silhouette. I feel like they bringing something new to the table as always. Now I did sell my black 700 MNBMs, so I'm in the market for another pair of all black Yeezys. So definitely see myself picking these up. Those Cinder 350 joints are another pair of black Yeezys that are dropping. Oh, by the way, I will be checking those out early, coming up probably this week. But I'm kind of tired of the whole 350 wave, so these are probably the ones for me. So yeah, y'all are gonna see these on feet close to the release date from your boy right here. So thank y'all so much for watching the video. Leave your opinion on these joints down below in the comment section, guys. So thanks again for watching the video. I'm John Alexander. Stay blessed, guys. I'll catch y'all next time. I'm out, y'all.